This 7-gallon United Solutions trash can has a slim rectangular profile that tucks neatly under desks, beside cabinets, or into other tight spots where a round bin will not fit as well. The sturdy plastic construction feels thick and durable, so it holds up to everyday use in busy offices, dorm rooms, and kitchens without cracking easily. Its smooth interior and exterior surfaces make it to wipe down, so spills and dust do not cling, and the can stays looking clean with minimal effort. The simple open-top design makes tossing in everyday waste effortless, and the rolled rim helps keep standard liners in place instead of slipping inside. The understated black color blends into most decor styles, so you can use matching cans throughout a home, office, or commercial space without drawing attention to them. Because this model is sold in a multi-pack, it is especially practical for outfitting multiple rooms or an entire workplace with consistent, space-saving waste baskets.